Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to use AutoDraw. So, let's get started. So, first option is AutoDraw. Example, I'm going to draw a boat. It gives me suggestions, so I'm going to pick this one. As you can see, it's a little bigger and I want to move it here. So I'll use the select option, select the object of the picture, resize it and move it too. So the next option is the draw option. Here it will not give you suggestions. You can, if you want to add any extra details, you can add like this. And here you can just increase the thickness of the line. And next one is the type option. Just click on where you want to type and type. I'm going to type the sailor boat. So guys, as you can see, I don't like this handwriting, so I'll select all of the text and just select which handwriting I want. And here you can increase the size. The default is 48, so I'm going to keep that there. So guys, let me resize this and keep it here. So the next option is the fill option. Here I don't like this blue color, so default is blue. If you want to change any color, you can change. There are more colors. So let me take red and fill it. And the shape, next one is the shape option. Here it gives us three shapes: circle, square and a rectangle. The next one is zoom in option. Here you can zoom the page to this much to 300. Or to more zoom in, or a part you should zoom in, means you can zoom manually. So guys, let me keep it as default one. The next one is undo option. Everyone knows it. So the delete option, for that you should just select, you want to select object, select the object and just press delete. Delete. It will just, suppose there are two or three more line separated objects. So if you want to delete at one time only, just go to select, drag the three of them, just three will be selected and just press delete. So here are the three slashes. If you don't like this drawing, don't want to save and start a new one, you can start over with these 3 pages. The next one is the download option. Just click OK. Here you can see it has been downloaded, as you can see. So guys, next option is the share option. Preparing to share. So you can share your creation by 3 options. You can copy link, Google Plus and Twitter. And shortcuts, this will be helpful for you. Undo, redo and all the stuff. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.